This super moist and soft orange cake is perfect for snacking, a perfect breakfast item or brunch, or just put it on the table during your holidays as a dessert. Hey friends, I'm Chef Wainaina, and today I'm sharing this easy to make orange cake that you and your family will definitely enjoy. Let's go ahead and measure the ingredients that go with this deliciousness. So first things first, for this recipe, we are going to measure the dry ingredients, starting with the flour. We're gonna tear the bowl, and then we need about 3 cups or 325 grams of all-purpose flour. That's what I'm using. We're gonna sift this flour into this bowl. Into the flour, add about a teaspoon of baking powder, and I have a teaspoon of kosher salt. Then sift everything into the bowl. Awesome. Now set this aside and start working with the wet part of the recipe. Bring back the scale. I'll use the same bowl that I used here because it's already tiered anyway. I need about 225 grams of granulated sugar, or just about a cup and a quarter. There you go, very close. Into this small measuring jar, I need about 250 grams of olive and vegetable oil blend, or just about a cup and a quarter. Now into this bowl, I'm going to break in 4 eggs. These are at room temperature. Now starting on low, beat these eggs until they are fluffy. Into our sugar, add zest of 2 oranges. Mix the zest into the sugar. This allows the essential oils from the zest to get into the sugar, and this will just give it that good citrusy flavor. And you can notice here the sugar just gets wet, because all those oils, they just come out. So citrusy. All right, set this aside just for a second. Now squeeze the juice from these 2 oranges and set it aside. We'll need it. Now into the eggs, add the sugar with the orange zest and just bring it all together. You want to beat this until all the sugar is absorbed. Start drizzling in the oil, just into a slow drizzle to emulsify. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and add the orange juice. This looks good to me. Bring in your baking tin, and into it just sprinkle some of the oil here, and then just using a paper towel, just wipe the sides. Meanwhile, I'm turning on the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now bring the dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and the salt, and start incorporating into this. Can I do a half of it first? Just bring everything together. The key here is to make sure that everything is incorporated without overmixing. I could use the hand mixer here, but I just want it to be nice and gentle. Now bring the rest of the flour. This is a very good project to include the kids. If you have them, you can do this with them. I'm sure they will enjoy doing this. This looks so beautiful and smells so good here. So this looks all good, a good consistency here. This will go into the baking tin and into the oven for about an hour or so. Tap this so slightly to release any air bubbles. And into the oven this goes. So this cake has been baking for almost an hour. Looks so beautiful, nicely browned. I'm gonna use this thermometer just to put the probe in. Yeah, comes out nice and clean. So that means the cake is cooked through. So we are going to let this cake cool for about between 15 and 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll make the glaze. Now this cake is all cooled. Turn it on to this wire rack. Just turn it over. Now for the glaze, remember we had this confectioner sugar. Now I squeezed orange juice into the sugar and the zest, and we got this nice glaze that will go over the cake. So bring the cake. Now carefully just drizzle this glaze over the cake. Now give the cake a couple minutes for the glaze to set. Now a good time to enjoy this cake, just slide it off. Still nice and warm to enjoy with a cup of chai. Since I don't want to mess up the glaze, I'll go in with a fork to hold it and cut. Oh, look at that. One more slice here. Feels so soft. So friends, all I can do now is just to have a bite of this beautifully looking cake. Cut a piece for me. Look at this. Nice, very spongy. Oh, look at just that. It's not overly sweet. It's moist, very soft, and a very good flavor from the orange. The zest definitely enhances the flavor. So friends, I got myself a big mug of chai here. I just can't wait to sit down and enjoy more of this cake. It's such a delicious and soft cake. I hope it's a recipe that you can try. As always, please remember, subscribe, leave me a comment down below what you think about this cake, and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one.